Good afternoon. I'm Larry Leibowitz, Chief Operating Officer for NYSE Euronext, and I'm joined today by Dave Babulak and Daniel Coleman of GETCO. And we're here today to talk about GETCO's recently announced plans to acquire Bank of America Merrill Lynch's Designated Market Maker unit. We at the NYSE are very excited about this transaction. We think it'll be beneficial to issuers, investors, and our market. At the close of this transaction, which we expect in January and pending regulatory approvals, GETCO will serve approximately 650 issuers and a total of 850 securities at the NYSE. This will make GETCO the second largest DMM by number of DMM assignments, handling approximately a third of NYSE's average daily turnover. The GETCO book will include 9 components of the Dow Jones, 31 components of the S&P 100, and 120 components of the S&P 500. Dave?
Thanks, Larry. Yeah, we're really excited about the opportunity in front of us here. You know, GETCO is a global market maker. We've been in business for almost a dozen years now, making markets around the world on a variety of platforms. And recently, in February of 2010, we had the opportunity to become a NYSE DMM, acquiring 350 assignments. And now we have the opportunity to really build on that portfolio and expand our business. And so we're very excited about that opportunity. You know, our job is to help people transfer risk, and we do that by making two-sided markets for people. And what that does is it provides the liquidity and the stability issuers are seeking in their symbols, and it allows institutional individual investors to rebalance their portfolios at a low cost in an effective way.
Many companies are looking for ways to navigate a very complex and fragmented marketplace today. Our presence around the world on 50 different exchanges gives us an expertise to provide liquidity, tighten spreads, and give market insights to issuers going forward.
GETCO has established a really strong track record of providing value to listed companies and trading partners alike through price improvement, deep liquidity, and the best pricing in the market. In their securities, GETCO's DMM already provides consistent liquidity and has exceptional market quality, including setting the best price with the largest quoted size 56% of the time, compared to only 19.8% for the next largest exchange in the recent month. After the acquisition, NYSE's DMMs will be Barclays Capital, GETCO, Knight Capital, and Goldman Sachs & Company. The NYSE utilizes a unique combination of market professionals and technology to provide customers with the highest level of market quality and competitiveness. DMMs are at the center of the NYSE market and are the only participants to have true obligations for maintaining a fair and orderly market. DMMs are required to meet NYSE's stringent requirements at all times. Our high-touch approach is important for discovering and improving prices, dampening volatility, adding liquidity, enhancing value, and providing better service to all market participants.
So I'd like to talk a little bit about our current relationship with the New York Stock Exchange and the portfolio that we already have. We are the designated market maker for more than 35 volume issues. We have a pretty balanced portfolio right now of some very liquid companies to some very illiquid companies, and across that entire spectrum. We recently were selected by General Motors to be the designated market maker for their security and ran the largest IPO, $20 billion IPO, which is the largest in the US. You know, Larry mentioned the requirement that designated market makers have to be on the national best bid and offer. And currently in October, we were on the national best bid and offer 42% of the time. And we represent 43% of the liquidity at the national best bid and offer in the symbols where we are the designated market maker. And what that means is that GETCO is committing capital and providing the liquidity to ensure a fair and orderly market in your security. In addition to being a designated market maker, we're also a supplemental liquidity provider, which is a pure electronic version that lends assistance to the designated market makers. And we do that in over 1,100 symbols here at the New York Stock Exchange. And finally, on the ARCA platform, we're a lead market maker in over 30 exchange-listed funds there.
My colleagues at the NYSE and I are grateful to the Bank of America and its DMM unit. They've consistently performed at the highest standards and have produced exceptional results for their assigned securities and issuers, investors in the market. During the next month, Bank of America and soon-to-be GETCO DMM unit will move to the newly renovated post on the NYSE trading floor, furthering their ability to serve customers for our markets in an exceptional manner. Together with GETCO and Bank of America, we'll work to ensure a smooth and orderly transition. GETCO is an outstanding partner, and we're fully confident in their abilities their track record to serve customers.
We'd like to thank Bank of America for working closely with us during this integration period to make it as smooth as possible for the issuers involved. And for many of you, the issuers, we want you to know that many of the same people you've dealt with over the years will be working for us at GETCO going forward. We see this as a great opportunity to continue to provide liquidity for the marketplace and help our current issuers and new issuers. And we thank the New York Stock Exchange for helping us make this happen.